That's one of the fundamental things in risk management. You have to very quickly decide whether it's a serious or a play pretend. Because there are many instances in life where you do a risk assessment, but it's not really going to change anything. It's not really meaningful. It's just play pretend. Like risk workshops. The first 5 minutes in the risk workshop, you have to figure out, are they going to talk about actual risks? Like you usually come with all the risks on your cheat sheet. And are they going to talk about the real risks, or is it going to be play pretend and we're just going to sing songs together and draw on the flip chart? By the way, every workshop that recently I've been in, they were all play pretend. So I don't really go to risk workshops anymore. I don't feel that they're a tool for risk management. So compliance approached us, and it was pretty clear that it was play pretend. So we had to give them a methodology that was reasonable, but we didn't also want to overburden them with the real risk. And I'll actually show you how we've applied the methodology to 30 risks, and they were happy. The board was just ecstatic.